The table. The gathering place. It's where family and friends are brought together to celebrate holidays, new chapters, and each other. A place where experiences are shared, lessons are learned, lasting connections are created, and memories are made. It's the little things in life that matter the most, isn't it? Laughing with people you love, enjoying a tasty treat, a thoughtful gift. Your life is made up of moments. Moments that change you.
Hey guys!
Inspire you, and bring you joy. There's a seat for everyone at our table. Sit with us to create and share your moment. We've saved you a seat.